is on the state of construction and maintenance of existing county roads in Kisumu County. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Roads and Transportation concerning the state of construction and maintenance of existing county roads in various sub-counties in Kisumu County. In the statement, the committee should, 1, describe the current state of existing county roads in Kisumu County and outline the road network maintenance and improvement plans for the sub-counties in Kisumu County, particularly in Seme, Kisumu Central, Nyando, Kisumu East, Kisumu West, Moroni, and Nyakach sub-counties. 2, provide detailed information regarding the composition of the Kisumu County road maintenance team, their roles and budgetary allocation since establishment. 3, provide a detailed record of the funds set aside for the construction and maintenance of county roads in the said sub-counties, together with a list of status of roads that have been done through the machine-based program, outlining the budgetary allocation and expenditure since the commencement of works. And lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, explain the status of county roads that have been constructed and maintained by the county government of Kisumu during the financial years 2019-2020 to 2022-2023, providing details of all payments made for these works during the said period. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.